biro. Chunguru duta moloko dingo sechopo.
Baba ametupigania free education. Wengi wetu leo huku tumesoma kwa sababu ya free education, na hiyo ni effort ya baba. Pia baba ametupigania demokrasia na devolution. Sisi watoto wachanga wa hii nation hatungekuwa tunasherekea kama baba angetupigania. Baba ameonyesha kwamba anajali maslahi yetu, na zaidi anazidi kutupigania azimio la umoja, kwa sababu nchi yetu kitu moja hatuna, ni umoja. Ukitembea mataifa mengine Afrika wako na umoja. Sisi tunataka the spirit of Kenyanism, the spirit of patriotism iongezwe hii Kenya, na solution ni moja, ni baba. Tuliulizwa na Secretary General Tolu, in whose hands are we safe? Vijana wa Kenya tumesema we are safe in the hands of a caring father, kwa sababu ukiona nyumba inachomeka unakimbilia kwa baba na unamshika mguu. Hatutaki ile timu zingine imejaa mafisi. Na on behalf of the young ladies in this country who are fighting for their own spaces, tumesema hatutaki timu mafisi na hatuwezi bebwa na wheelbarrow. Sisi tunataka kubebwa na vitu watoto wengine wanabebwa. Wheelbarrow haiwezi nisaidia mimi kama Samburu.
Misi pangwingwe, sipangwingwe, misi pangwingwe, yo, sipangwingwe. Unataka mtu simple, humble, rich, young, ndo peane namba.
Chunguru mana moloko dinga donjo. Chunguru ne moloko dinga kalo. Chunguru ne Raila ama biro. Chunguru duta moloko dingo sechopo.
My name is Fikrini Jacobs, a young man born and raised in Bamba, Kilifi County. Baba, I bring with me the fervent desires, the hopes and the fraternal greetings of the young men and women of this country today. The youthful population that 21 years into the 21st century is still much exposed, desperate and destituted, if not vulnerable. The young men and women of this country who are still badly crippled by the menacles of unemployment and unbridled political intolerance. But Baba, to the extent that we have the young men and women from all walks of life of this country who have flocked to this venue today, Baba, it is a clear indication that the youth of this country have run away from the politics of coercion to come and embrace politics of cohesion in this country. Baba, to the extent that the young men and women of Kenya are here today, it is a clear indication that the young men and women of this country have run away from the politics of tribalism, politics of cynicism, politics of cronyism, politics of skepticism, to come and embrace the politics of hope and destiny, because after all, that's all what we want. And Baba, I can tell you, to the extent that we have the young men and women of Kenya here today, it is a clear indication, Baba, that the young men of this country have analyzed, they have philosophized and ideologized, and they come up with a conclusion of the bird in the book, Things Fall Apart by Chinua Achebe. Baba, the youth today say they have looked at the delinquent, they have looked at the political power hungry, and they compared it analogically with the prudent youth. And Baba, I'm telling you, the youth have decided